Alrighty, got a bit of a niffy throat today, but got the house to myself and I figured get this new camera type deal. It's a new phone. Give this a go. I'm even completely sure the lens is it here? So it's here. I'm looking at the screen like this. Hey, you probably think I'm looking at something. Hearing voices in my head. Which, considering how I am, would be that much of a shocker now, would it? Just jibber jabbering really. Give this a test drive, see how it looks. Still looking at the screen. Supposed to be looking here. Yeah, so try to think if anything interesting happened today. Yeah, picked up UFC for PlayStation 4. I guess that's something. And they said my throat's been sore, so I've not exactly been 100%. Even my hair's showing it. It's flat for the first time in quite a few months. Yeah, so this isn't technically an episode of the Stevie Experience. As you can see, I'm just pacing back and forward. Brian's not here, so it's not an episode of me, myself and Brian. It's not an episode of me versus, I'm not playing any games. Yeah, so honestly my arm's getting sore when I'm holding this, so I'm going to hit the stop button, I think, right about now. So extreme close up. So yeah, see you later.